Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have one of my favorite recipes for you today, an easy Chile Relleno Casserole. This is one of my very favorite recipes. It's very easy to make. You can serve it for brunch, breakfast, or for dinner. It goes along really well with refried beans and Spanish rice. You want to make sure to stay till the end of the video where I will have the full recipe where you can either pause and take a screenshot or copy it down. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and crack 8 eggs into your container. To that, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of milk. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili powder. And then go ahead and salt and pepper to your taste. And then go ahead and mix those ingredients together until they are fully combined. Once you have everything completely mixed, go ahead and set that aside. Then you're going to need a 9 by 13 baking dish. Then you're also going to need a 27-ounce can of fire-roasted whole green chilies. This happens to be the Ortega brand, but you can use any brand. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and take your full chilies, and they're very soft, so it's very easy. Just go ahead and open them up. And then you want to make a nice single layer of chilies across the bottom of your dish. And I just basically switch directions so that I get a nice coverage. And 1 can should be enough to give you your top coat and your bottom coat of chilies. Okay, so go ahead and line your pan. Okay, so I have 2 cups of shredded pepper jack cheese. You want to go ahead and take half of that and sprinkle it over your chilies. Just get a nice even layer. You're going to want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Then you want to take your 4 ounces of cream cheese and go ahead and cut it up into small pieces and then distribute that evenly throughout the dish. Then you're going to want to go ahead and do another layer of your green chilies. You're going to want to top with the rest of your pepper jack cheese. Then you're going to want to go ahead and pour your egg mixture over the top. Then go ahead and take your 1 cup of breadcrumbs and sprinkle that over the top. Now, if you like your dish a little bit more spicy, instead of adding the regular chili powder, you can always add cayenne or more spicy. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take this and place it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and it's going to bake for about 30 to 35 minutes until the center is firm and it's not jiggly. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking adventure. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I will catch you next time.